June, 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 June. I'm so excited I get to use stickers again. Here we go, let's plan. So this kit is from Exo Mama Plans. Love her monthly kits. They make planning super simple, super easy. The one thing I have to remember, so I keep this little, I have a little magnet calendar that I keep by me when I'm doing my monthly so that I can double check. So if I have one here, 8, 15, 22, 20, so I either need to split or put one up here. I think I'll end up splitting. I think so. Just because I've got all these other extra stickery things. Oh, the decisions. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this top part done. I'm very excited for June. We do have, I mean, I did write down my Post-it note, all of my things. We do have some doctor's appointments, but there's also, you know, fun things going on. So I think I put that on frickin'. We're gonna make it work. It's gonna work. It's gonna be fine. It's what happens when you take a month off of using stickers, right? Okay. Do you have any big plans for June? We do not like, this is not going to be like a vacation summer. We don't do that very often. We usually try and save those for big anniversaries. So yeah, so this is not a big year for that. No. Sunday, and that's okay. I will be getting ready for conference, which is in July, but that's my only big summer thing. One thing I'm excited for is being able to work on some health and wellness things without the stress and anxiety of school. And I am very blessed to be able to have that luxury. I know a lot of people will say, oh, you know, teachers, I've seen some really sad comments about how teachers are crybabies. They get their summers off and, you know, they get paid for not working in the summer, and none of that's true. I mean, are there teachers who are crybabies? I'm sure there are. There's crybabies in every field. But what I'm saying is, you know, I don't get paid for the summer. I choose to have my pays divvied up for 12 months. My salary is based on the school year itself. But that being said, I love that I have that blessing. I think there's lots of different ways to look at that. All right, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and date this, so I'll be right back, because then I can decide about that guy. I've already made the decision, it's fine. All right, dates, check. So I got the add-on, so it has this little one, which I'm guessing goes more like right there. But there's also, I got a couple add-ons. So here's the sidebar. Also, by the way, this is sized for an Erin Condren. I am using Lights Planner Action inserts, and I do try to keep Lights Planner. Oh, it's very crooked. I'm going to use a little undo. I do try to keep Lights Planner Action linked in my description. Yeah, it's not an affiliate link. I am not that cool. I just like her product. So, FYI. if you'd like to try her product too, there it is. Line that up. There we go. That's better. That's better. Okay. And then I think we do the rest of the beach down there. Yeah, the rest of the beach. Line it up. Got it. And what's nice is I can see the lines peek through the sticker, so if I want to keep writing on it, I totally can. Totally can. All right. And then this guy, do I want him up here? Because I feel like this one goes here, right? Right. It totally does. It totally goes right there. And this is where things get a little iffy because technically this is not the same size. But I can just do a quick little like that. And can I snip it? Let's see. Where's my ruler? Where's my ruler? Everything's gone cattywampus. Line it up there. Huzzah. And then I can maybe take my scissors and just go snip, snip. Let's see. Let's see if I can snip, snip. Oh, and I did it at an angle. That's okay, because it's a sticker. We can take this sticker and just put it back on top. And no one will know the difference but you and me. Things like that. All right. I'm having too much fun. This is what happens when you don't get to use stickers for a while. Do I want to use the pink at the bottom? That might be a good one. And then let's see. How about you? I feel like if I have this going towards the ocean, that makes more sense, right? You know what? I think I'm going to just have this go off the page, just like that. I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just cut the piece that goes a little too long. But instead of worrying about it, I'm just going to leave it be. Don't make it harder. We've got some sticker washi. I think I'm going to use the pink. And I think this one I will actually, you just tear off. That'd be great if you did. This might not be. Oh dear. Where is my gift card? So, again, this is what happens. Oh, there it is. And I got this idea. There's a creator named Plan Sarah Plan. And she does on her like main page here. And I know it's busy because Lights Planner Actions, but she puts her sticker scraps on like the front of her monthly. And I was like, what a grand idea. You get this little mosaic thing going on. Super cute. So now I am all about that. Now I don't think I need this whole sticker washi for this side. So I'm going to try and do something here that may or may not work. That'll work. That'll do. All right, let's put in the holidays. I don't remember where all of these holidays, like I have good reference. I know where Flag Day goes because that is also my birthday. And it's a big birthday this year, friends. Big birthday. It is 40, which is exciting. I'm excited at least. I'm not that concerned. Let's put that there. I always joke with the students about it. I had a student the other day go, oh, well, I had a student ask me if I was planning on retiring anytime soon. And all the other kids kind of laughed. And then another student goes, how? She's only like 30. And a couple kids know that I'm turning 40. So they're like, no, yes, she is. She is 30. That is it. It was pretty funny. All right, let me look at, before I start getting too decorative, I got to get my Post-it out. I have it hanging there. All right, I have a fasting blood work on the 3rd. I have to check when I have my dentist appointment. It's one of these 2 days. But I also have something else I want to do on that day. So we'll see. I have my clinic visit to talk about my blood work on the 7th. Sharpie and Jules have a hair appointment on the 8th. I dread this hair appointment only because the market is downtown. We have a open air, like farmer's market. And Jules loses her mind. She just gets so excited. And our groomer is like right in the thick of it. So that always makes it a little bit hard, but a lot of times what we do is we'll drop them off, we'll shop the market, and then we'll wait for her to call to say that they're ready to be picked up. Sharpie, when he's by himself, is fine. Like, he's excited, but he doesn't lose his mind. When he's with Jules, it's like, well, if she can lose her mind, I can. And I'm like, stop that. Stop. Be a good boy. You're supposed to be setting that good example. I'm trying to get all of the, like, big doctor things out of the way for me at the beginning of the month. I will have to make... Okay, let's talk. I will have to make an appointment with my general practitioner. But what are your thoughts? So, my dad has congestive heart failure, or CHF. My sister, who is 45, going to be 46, went in for an echocardiogram during Christmas break, and they're like, how long have you had CHF? And she was like, the last 5 seconds that you told me. And her heart function was down to like 15 to 20%. Not good. Not good. So because I'm turning 40, yay, and life changes. There's life changes. I am like, hey, I should probably get one of those fancy echocardiograms because this is clearly something my family is susceptible to. Like, clearly, this is an ongoing issue. I'll put this one here because I have my FAE meeting. So what do you think? I feel like they have to let me, right? There's too many immediate family members with heart issues. Like, the thing I'm going to be upset is, like, if they say, oh, yeah, no, you're too young or you're not showing enough things for it to happen. And I'm like, but what? I just want to be as proactive as possible. And I know that sometimes CHF is caused by, like, viruses going to your heart or, there's other things that can cause it. Stress. I don't know anybody who's stressed. But I just want to make sure, again, that I am doing all the things that I can do to, as I heard on a podcast today, to thrive with the life that I have. That's my big thing. I don't want to be on medications forever. That's not how I want to live my life. So there you go. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. What do you think? I feel like they have to let me, right? I'm at a new juncture in life. They've got to let me, right? I don't know. I'm gonna put down some bullet points for my weekend activities. It looks like my June is really busy, but like a lot of these are either doctor's appointments or, you know, other things. So the one thing that I want to do, is it the 4th or the 5th? I'll have to look again. They're doing at my library wreath, a patriotic wreath, and I want to go and do it. But I have to register by, or registration opens tomorrow, which is May 28th. When are my paydays? Let's use the pink one for Pink Zebra Payday. Oh. Here's somebody else up. We'll use the blue ones for school paydays. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm excited. I like to use my books, so and we'll leave that open. Now this is where I really get quiet because we're going to fill out my favorite part of this spread, and that is the tasks and habits. So give me a moment, get this part organized, and I will do this at a higher speed. Here we go. All right, friends, I'm not going to fill out my goals yet. I haven't really sat down and really thought about it for the month of June, so I would like to do that on my own, and I'll come back and share that with you another time. But here is the month of June. I'm so excited. Stickers are back, ladies and gentlemen, and I feel much better about life. All right, friends, I will catch you all in the next one.